Dear UHD family, just a friendly reminder from your friends at the Center for Critical Race Studies to register to vote ahead of the November elections. As you know, these elections are a watershed moment for the country and for Houston. Not only are you deciding the fate of our country, you're shaping the kind of city and country you're going to live in for the next few years. Though, of course, the ripples of those decisions will be felt long after. In addition to voting for the president, you will make important decisions from sheriffs to judges to city council members and propositions that affect the way you live and work every day in Clutch City. Let your voice be heard. Registering is easy. Simply go to votetexas.gov. Click on the SOS voter registration application, and you can register online within minutes. If you prefer a paper form, click on Request a Paper Application under Ways to Register, and you can have a form sent to you by mail. Not sure if you're already a registered voter? Visit the Am I Registered application at the very top of the page. Fill in your information, and you can find out within minutes if you're already registered. It's that easy. It's important to have your voice heard. The deadline to register to vote is October 5th. So register soon, tell your friends, and vote early.